You need to hear this if you're dreaming of your own online business. Dropshipping shook up the e-commerce world. Here's what's next. Let's rewind. Dropshipping exploded in the 2010s, letting anyone sell products online without holding inventory. Suddenly, global supply chains were at your fingertips. Platforms like Shopify and AliExpress made it even easier. But the gold rush brought fierce competition, thinner margins, and customers craving faster shipping. By 2025, only the smartest sellers thrive. Here's how. Pick a niche you understand, build a real brand, and never stop learning about your audience. Focus on quality suppliers. Slow shipping and bad reviews can kill your business. Use data to test, tweak, and improve. Don't just copy what worked last year. Dropshipping isn't dead, it's evolving. The entrepreneurs who adapt, they'll shape the next era of e-commerce. Ready to level up? Start today and build your future.